Eat your broccoli, then you can watch Nokio. Broccoli. Eat your broccoli. Broccoli. Addison. Broccoli. Addison. Addison. Broccoli. Hey. You want to watch Nokio? Then eat your broccoli. Eat your broccoli. Where are you going?
Daddy, you might have to finish broccoli. Okay?
Are you going to eat your broccoli? Down? You want down? Well, climb them on down then.
Okay, change your diaper. Change your diaper. Come on. Come on, let's change your diaper.
Climb down.